everyone, my name is Viktory Pittman and I'm the Marketing Intern at Piedmont Airlines. I'm so excited to be here at EAA AirVenture Oshkosh.
My experience attending Oshkosh was really good. It was so cool seeing everybody there and seeing just how many people are interested in aviation and how passionate they are about it to come out and fly out to an air show in Wisconsin from all over the world. I'm the marketing intern, so I do all things marketing. So that can mean helping plan campaigns, helping plan commercials, or even helping get video shots of the video team. I also do a lot of work with a social media specialist. We help plan like social ads and social posts that go on different sort of platforms. I would say my favorite part really about being the marketing intern is that no day is the same. I get to work on a bit of everything and really expand my current knowledge of communications by playing in hiring marketing, which is something that not a lot of people think about, especially in an industry like aviation. It was really cool seeing the recruiters talk to all the young aviation professionals and reach out to them. Learning how they reach out to them and really speak to them in a way they understand. I feel like in aviation it's important to meet people where they are and help them get into the door, showing them how they can apply their aviation dreams to their real life.
This American aircraft is a flying tribute to those who are worthy of the prestigious Medal of Honor, the highest military honor in the United States.
2 pieces of advice I would give someone that is looking to intern with Piedmont. I would first tell them to familiarize themselves with Piedmont and the company that they're looking at, because it's really important to sort of know the general industry that you're going into and be familiar with what they're doing and what their competitors are doing and how you can be an asset to that team. And my second piece of advice would be to have confidence in yourself. Be secure in who you are, what you bring to the table, and all the experience you have that makes you stand out.
If you're interested in learning more about interning with Piedmont Airlines, check out our intern page on the external website and keep an eye out for available career opportunities on our careers page as well.